Hi, Mark Kern, Sales Manager for Slidematic Precision Components and Seward Screw. And today we're going to talk about screw machine and then in more detail rotary transfer and how it can help you save money with your screw machine parts that may go to another machine for a secondary operation, which as we all know adds cost. In a standard screw machine part, I'll use this here, it's hex material, probably 1.25 inches across the flats. And in screw machining, standard screw machining, the material is turning. And you have tools that are coming in to do the blind hole from the end slide. From the cross slide, you have tools that turn this diameter, put the NPT thread on. If you had operations on this side of the part, because it's being held in a collet, you would have to move it to a secondary operation. There are screw machines that can do a little bit of work on this end, but if you have key features on this end, it's going to have to go to a secondary operation, which again adds costs. How rotary transfer plays into that is in a rotary transfer setting, these start with hex bar, and there's critical features on both ends of the part. On this part, there's a turned bore with a blind hole, and on the other end, there's also threads. On this part, we're starting with hex material. There's a cross hole that's drilled in there. 2 steps are threaded on one end, 1 step on the other. There's a hole that's drilled through the center. In a rotary transfer machine, the part is stationary and the tooling is live. So during the operation, it's being held by the hex and tools can be working on one end. In any one of the 10 or 12 stations, you can take the part out of the collet and flip it around and load it back in the collet. Now you can machine on the other end. So if you have a screw machine part like these you see here that have critical features on both ends of the part, starting with hex material, round material, square material, it's important to know about rotary transfer and what it can do for the cost of your parts by eliminating those secondary operations that cannot be done on a screw machine. To learn more about rotary transfer and what we may be able to do for you at Seward Screw or Slidematic Precision, please follow our YouTube channel, and we appreciate your time. Thank you.